In this video, I will be showing you how to download and install Anaconda in Windows. So let's get started. First thing, just Google Anaconda. We'll be getting the official link from anaconda.com. Click it. To the top, we will be having free download. Select this. And here we will be having download now, get started. Click it. And we need to sign in with our account. Okay, so either we can sign in with our mail or we can use Google, Microsoft or GitHub account. So after you sign in, we'll be getting choose your download. We're also having Anaconda for Macs and Linux. Our choice is for Windows, so we'll be having this Anaconda distribution. Just click on this and the installer will be getting downloaded. It is around 1.1 GB in size, so just be patient till then. Once the download is complete, just open it and we'll be getting the Anaconda setup. Click on next and click on I agree for the license agreement. Next, and this is going to be the default location where Anaconda will be installed, which is C users, your username Anaconda. If you have very less space in your local disk C, you can simply click on browse and change it to local disk D or E. Once you are finalized with the location, just click on next and this is fine. Click on install. Once the installation is complete, just click on next and we can uncheck this welcome to Anaconda and we can simply launch Anaconda Navigator. Click on finish. So if you go to search and type Anaconda, we will be having this Anaconda Navigator. You can just create a shortcut. So we'll be getting this sign in option. If you want, you can sign in. I will just close it. And these are the tools that we can use or install and use inside Anaconda. So we're having PyCharm if you want to install and use it. Anaconda Navigator AI, Anaconda Toolbox, Command Prompt, PowerShell. We are having Jupyter Lab, Notebook, Qt Console. Jupyter Notebook and Jupyter Lab are already pre-installed. As you can see, we're having the launch option, and apart from that, we are having these many options too. So for this example, let me just click on this launch for Jupyter Notebook, and you don't have to even open Jupyter Notebook each time. You can simply go to search and type Jupyter Notebook and create a shortcut for this also. So it will ask you to choose the browser. Click the browser of your choice and select OK. And that's it. We will be getting the Jupyter Notebook opened like this. Click on new and select Python and we'll be getting your untitled.ipynb file opened. That's the video, guys. Do check the playlist of my channel. Done a lot of videos in programming and AI tools. Subscribe me. Thanks for watching.